starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and will take you away. You better stop, yeah, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop, yeah, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop, now, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop.
Well, this is a very embarrassing live feed. But I guess all the live posts on social media can't always be winners. I'll just be honest with you guys. I assembled this engine when I started getting sick with COVID, and I tried to push through it, and I highly regret it now because I got low compression all around, and sitting there trying to troubleshoot in my head where I went wrong and what I did on whatever days I was working. And to be honest with you, what happened was, in all my retardedness, I put 327 rings on a 350 engine. 30 over, wrong bore size. So, that's the cause of low compression. I'm embarrassed to tell you guys that, but I'm going to tell you anyways, because I'm human. It's like everyone else. Everybody else likes to post all the good shit that happened. Well, this is a downtime. This is something bad that happened to me. And I gotta work on that. Super embarrassing. Super embarrassing. Yeah, it sucks. But guess what? I already ordered from my warehouse. I'm going to go pick them up right now on my way home. And I'll have this thing back together tomorrow and actually sitting inside the car by tomorrow. That's how fast it happens. Just thank you, God, that I figured it out in time. I guess you could say shit happens, huh? Oh, these are half. Always forget the ARPs are half inch. Yeah, fun. Gotta love it, man. I wish I had a Terragon guy in here. Never put engines together when you're sick. Rule number 2.